back to my channel. So my phone is just terrible. My microphone is terrible. It didn't record it, so I just have to proceed this way. Just have to keep moving. As you can see, I am going to review As I Am Purple Passion, the temporary hair color. And as you can see, the color is like a purple mixed with a gray steel type of color. It's not like a vibrant purple, it's like a soft purple. And as you can see, I don't know how many times I'm going to say that one more time. I'm going to spray it with some water, and then I'm going to apply the temporary hair color to my hair. Now mind you, what I'm saying there is that it's super soft. Like, this is a very soft product. Like, usually when I use temporary hair color, it's not as soft as that. It's a little bit hard or medium, but this is like, oh my gosh, like silky soft. You can already see the color popping out already. So I wasn't really too sure if the color was going to show too much, because I already have a temporary hair color in my hair that lasts for like 6 months, which is kind of like a red color. But for some reason, it always shows more in my roots than it does in the rest of my hair. So you'll see when I get up closer. You can see my hair growth coming in, and you can see the red pushing its way out. But it's fine. It's going to fade eventually, probably by the end of this year. Anywho, so I'm putting a lot on my edges, on my roots, because that's where you see a lot of the red. And I'm going to do a twist out. So I'm going to twist from the scalp and do a loose 2-strand twist. So all of my curls can be a twist out. Now, if you watch my channel, you know I am a ride or die hair paint wax enthusiast. I always use hair paint wax, and I always try to find another company to see if they can live up to my expectations for temporary hair color, just like with hair paint wax, except for their red, because their red bleeds everywhere. I used As I Am red a long time ago, and I believe I have a video on that on my channel. I don't remember if I liked it or not, but I'm using purple. I saw this in Target. It was on sale for like $3, but I think the price point is like $10. That's like all temporary hair colors. And I just went ahead and got it, and I've had it for a very long time. And I finally had time to use it and try it out, so here we are today. Now, I'm not expecting a really bold color. I'm expecting like a soft purple color, which is what I want, which is I'm okay with. And the instructions say that they do not bleed or transfer once you let it completely dry, which is true, because unlike with hair paint wax, even though I do love their products, they always bleed or they always transfer either on my neck or on my clothes or on my pillow. So I always have to wear like protective clothes or a towel or protection on my pillow, like all the time, for not all their hair colors, but the darker colors like red mainly. But with this one, even with my hair wet, I didn't even see any purple on my neck, so that's a bonus for me. So I'm going to twist this last one up, and then I'll come back to you the next morning when it's like completely dry and I'm taking it down. And then we'll move on. Now mind you, it's 7 o'clock at night, so I'm hoping my hair dries because I'm starting very late in the game. So that's how it looks, all completed and done. Looks nice, little purple red mixed in together. It's cute. And I didn't even use that much. I have probably 2 or 3 more applications left that I can use, which is great for my price point because I am a cheap person and I like to get my money's worth. So keep watching in the next clip and I'll show you the results. Good morning. So this is what my twists are looking like the next morning. I think it dried. I applied the temporary hair last night around 7, and I stayed up until almost 2 this morning. So, but it was still dripping a little bit around midnight. So hopefully it dries. Let's see. Ooh, look at my curls. That is so cute. But I am not wearing my hair down. I don't know, I just don't like wearing my hair down lately. Like, I'll do it if I'm going to wash my hair that same day, or if I'm going to wash my hair the next day, but I just don't like it anymore. Maybe it's because, I don't know why I don't like it anymore, but I mean, I do like it, but it's like when I wear my braid out or my twist out, she doesn't listen to me. Like, she just does what she wants to do, and I just not feeling what she's giving me. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna put you away. If you don't want to do what I expect of you, then I'm just gonna put you away in a protective style. That's all. These curls are looking nice though, and you can see the color. So like I thought, it's not like a bold purple. It's like a tint, but you can definitely see the purple. So today I have a stop to make, and I have errands to make. I'm going to start buying our children's uniform. Well, some of their uniform. It's like mid-July, and their school starts at the end of August. So I'm just getting a jump on it because last year when we bought their school supplies and uniform at the same time, it just devastated our pockets. It was horrible. So I said I would never do that again. At the beginning of the year, I slowly started getting their school supplies and started collecting it. Like every 2 weeks, I'll get just a little bit of their school supplies. So now I have all their school supplies, and I'm starting on their uniform because uniforms are so expensive. Like one shirt can cost $10, and one pants is $15. And they need 5 of those. Well, actually they need 5 and an extra pair, so they need 6 each. Because the extra is, for accidents or just to have extra pair of uniform at school. And then, oh man, I forgot my coat. Hold on a sec. So what was I saying? Yeah, so, excuse me. Yeah, have to have an extra one for accidents. So that's like, and it's 5 short sleeve shirts for the summer, and then 5 long sleeve shirts for the winter, and that's for 2 children. So that adds up a lot. And I was just like, I'm never going to do that again. And they have to get new shoes and backpacks. School's so expensive. Like, would I rather the children not wear uniforms compared to traditional, like old school, and you just wear whatever you want to wear? No, I would much rather they be in uniforms for so many of the positive reasons that they have out there. It's just so expensive. Okay, so back to the hair. Like, ooh, wow. You can barely see my red color at all, especially at the roots. You can see a little bit, but ooh, it's so full. Ooh, I like it. And it's still soft. There's no crunch to it. I'm liking it. So let me just do a quick little updo. My part is not going to be straight, but I don't have time. I got that. It's like every time I talk to you guys, I am always in a hurry. I am always in a rush, but that's just my life. My life, I'm always busy. I'm always doing something. I'm always rushing off to doing something. And I haven't had a vacation, and oh my gosh, since our children were born, and my oldest is 8. So next year, I'm looking forward to it because they're old enough, and hopefully they can handle it. And I don't want to do anything, like nothing at all. I want to sit there, be lazy, but of course, still go work out and stuff. But I don't want to rush to do anything. So, no. Ooh, it's looking so cute already. I wonder if I should leave it out or should I tuck it in? Is this too low? Should I make it higher? Again. I used to wear my hair like this all the time when I was in, when I started college. But then my hair was straight. See, what I had in mind is I was going to do like this. Well, you know what, let me do it on the other side because I think that's too low. Maybe, I don't know. I'm just going to pull this behind, just stretch it a little while I do the other side. See, any other video, I will fast forward through this because as you can see, I take my time. I do not want to rush doing my hair too much that I get too rough and I pull any out that doesn't need to come out. But these curls are so pretty. And my hair still feels super moisturized. It like even feels even more moisturized actually. And the fact that it's like vegan is an added bonus. Let's get a little bit higher. Okay, so as you can see, this one's higher than this one. What I was going to do is like twist it up. And just wrap it around. So that's what I was going to do. I think I'm going to do it like that. Yeah. And I feel that it's very festive for the festival. Okay, so yeah. I'm probably going to be out for a while. What I want to do is I want to come home, take a shower, and I want to read. Oh my gosh, I haven't read in so long. I think it's been like a week or two, and I'm trying to finish this book called, what's this book called? The Witch's Daughter. So it's about this woman who's a witch, obviously, and she ages slowly because she's immortal. and she's telling this girl who's an apprentice, her neighbor, her life story of how she became a witch and her life chronicles of the things she went through and who turned her into a witch and all the struggles she went through and the people that she loved, like her family members and everything. Oh yeah, this is super cute. Yeah. Ooh, it's so cute. I like it. Oh, this was an accident. I'm gonna leave it down. Okay, so I'm going to wear my fox ears. This is so cute. Like, seriously, look at that. Just look at the back. I don't know what the you know, gosh, what am I? My line. What? Sometimes I just get like the little, I feel like Luna on Harry Potter, like your brain is full of fuzzies. And they just constrict your thought, but you know, it happens. Like, should I wear my ears? Because I feel like if I wear my ears, which I always wear my ears every day, it's hiding the cute hairstyle. And I'm like, I don't want to hide my cute hairstyle. Let's see. With ears, it's just cute, you know. Or without ears. Without ears is just so cute. Like, seriously. But then I feel weird not wearing my ears, because even if I don't go anywhere and I'm just at home all day, I still wear my ears. It's so adorable. I don't know. I'll make up a decision. Comment in the message in the comments below if I should go out with my ears, if it looks cuter, or if it looks cuter without my ears, and let me know what you think, because I just don't know. I'm going to get off camera, I'm going to play with it and just see what my mind decides. As far as the product, it warns you about transfer, and there's like no purple on my hands. And compared to hair paint wax, I'm used to my hands being filled with color and my neck being filled with color, and my head wrap that I use, that also. But with As I Am, there's like nothing anywhere. Like, it's awesome. So this chew, you have to let your hair completely dry, and then there'll be no transfer. Like, there'll be no bleeding, and that's amazing. Like, it's awesome. I would definitely use this product again. I would definitely get more color, different. I think I tried As I Am in red. But I would definitely get more colors, and I definitely highly recommend you get As I Am. The Passion Purple is what I use, but this is not a paid sponsorship. This is just me using it, and I really like this product. So Hair Paint Wax finally has a contender. Wow. So they finally getting in the ring with somebody who's worthy. So yes, definitely recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you know the next time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday. Until next time,
Let's go.